guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Snussycopen, or Matt, back for another video today. But it is a beautiful day in lovely Pennsylvania. So today I'm going to go over kind of some damages that have occurred to the Duramax over the winter. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. So we just pulled into the driveway. I actually had to do an oil change on my wife's Jeep before we get into anything with the Duramax today. But I'm going to show you guys kind of some of the damages that have occurred over the winter with the truck, what the plan is for it, overall what the plan is for the Duramax, and what we're going to see this spring and summer, which will be the most progressive time, I would say, for the Duramax build. Now, obviously, we really haven't done much to the truck. I know some of you guys are bummed out about that. Financial-wise, I needed to get my wife something reliable, so I got my wife and myself the 4-door Wrangler, which kind of put a damper on the Duramax build. But recently, this winter, I've noticed some things with the truck that are going to set us back a little bit, and we'll get into details shortly. Definitely need to swap this puppy out. Need to get a new one going in the truck. Yummy. Alright, so the wife's oil change is officially done. Her oil was very black, but that is all good. So, just going to make sure everything is tightened up as long as she does not hit the Duramax, and then we're going to get into the Duramax video. Alright, so one big thing with the Duramax is I took off all the fender flares all the way around. So this side is completely good for the most part. I mean, this needs cleaned up just a little bit over here, but when we get to the other side of the truck, with it being cold, I never took this off. And it's not like I can back the Duramax into my garage. So I need to get this fender flare off here today. And then up here, this is crazy. I've been driving like this. I mean, I think the video of me taking off the fender flares was in like October. I still have the double-sided tape sitting on top of here, which is really ugly looking, to be honest with you guys. Plus, I don't know if you can see the amount of rust that's starting to kind of surface around and through here. So we're actually going to get that off today, clean up all this stuff, and show you guys even more stuff that makes me kind of unhappy about the truck. Looking at the inside over here, so I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these already out. So this one needs to be popped out yet. And these 3 down here, 1, 2, 3, I want to say they were stripped when I went to go take them out before, and it made me, it pissed me off, so I just kind of stopped. And it was getting cold. I was like, okay, I don't want to work on this outside, and then it just kind of got put on the back burner. But I think I'm going to try to work something together to get these guys out so I can get this fender off. And honestly, if anybody wants factory fender flares, let me know. You can have them. Okay, so a while ago, back when I had, it was either the Volkswagen or the Subaru, which I had both of them at the same time. I actually invested into one of these for like $9, and honestly, they are so convenient for getting out clips, whether it's, you know, on the body, inside, anything like that. Any type of clips that you just kind of pull out. A lot of people use a flathead, sometimes you break them. These, honestly, just rip them right on out and they're good to go. Well, that makes me feel a little bit better about my rockers. So I finally got everything off. I'm not going to explain to you guys how everything came off because I mean, well, you'll be able to see. I beat the hell out of all 3 screws, but it's off, so I'm gonna have to clean all the double-sided tape off of here. But that brings me to the topic of today's video, and that is rust everywhere. If you look in the cab corner, rust. This whole rocker underneath now has holes, so rockers are going to need to be replaced, cab corners are going to need to be replaced, and quite frankly, I don't like the black down here on the bottom anymore. The silver trim is going to have to go. So slowly, what you guys will see is I will end up getting a replacement fender, replacement doors all the way around, and go from there. And this truck, which should have just been a daily driver, is going to become a project just to keep on the road. Same thing with the other side. You can see the rust down on the cab corner and the rocker all the way around. There's a lot of stuff that just needs to be corrected on the truck, for lack of better terms. I mean, I love the truck and I definitely don't want to get rid of the truck, and the truck will honestly probably be multicolored for a little bit till I can get it painted or wrapped or whatever we decide to do. This truck, I know it's been notorious, aka the Del Mero. I will not be plasti dipping the truck. That is something that I will definitely not, because I plan on keeping this truck for a very long time.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting, like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
Get ready for Duramax content, guys. Also, we're going to be doing some stuff to the Jeep, but we are going to completely overhaul the Duramax, which I believe is much needed. It is my daily. Now, obviously, we've talked about me getting a motorcycle or just something fun like a Cobalt SS or another GTI or something like that for me to daily, as something that I can park this, I can rip it apart, do whatever I need to do to it to get it, you know, it is roadworthy. I drive it every single day, but I'm just kind of unhappy with where it's at right now, and that's part of the reason why I haven't been posting videos about the Duramax. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking, when is the Duramax content coming? Problem with the Duramax is, like, where I'm at, everybody wants me to put wheels on it, everybody wants me to lift it, but I have other things that I need to worry about, rust wise, and even, you know, maintenance wise, that I want to get taken care of before I even think about lifting it. Obviously, it'd be nice to have a different set of wheels, it'd be nice to be lifted a little bit, but I need to prioritize and get the rockers, the cab corners, and everything else taken care of first before we do that. So if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe bell down below, hit the notifications, tell your friends. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. We're close, a little bit off, but we will get there. Till the next time, guys, drop video suggestions down below of what vehicles you would like me to review, what you want to see more of. The Jeep, the Duramax, the Del Mero, the four-wheeler, everything else that we have on the channel. Do you want to see me get a Cobalt SS? Do you guys want to see me get a motorcycle? Drop a comment. Till next time, guys, see you.